Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to part 2 of IELTS speaking, that is cue card questions, especially from Green World Edu Universe IELTS. Are you stuck with cue card questions? Don't worry, we are here to help you. From now onwards, IELTS speaking will be a cup of tea. So, without any delay, let's move to our section.
Describe something you own that you want to replace. You should say what it is, when you had it, and how you got it, and explain why you want to replace it. I'm going to talk about how desperately I want to replace my living room furniture. It includes a sofa, a love seat, a coffee table, and 2 end tables. It's horribly outdated, but I just haven't had the cash to update them yet. As my husband and I are factory workers, it's quite difficult to save enough money to make these sort of home improvements. We were given this furniture when we got married in 1988 after my aunt had just passed. Moreover, she had used this furniture for about 10 years, so it already had some wear and tear. However, we were newlyweds, so we made it work. The sofas are an awful gold color and dark red color with a floral pattern. The tables are a speckled brown wood with countless scratches, dashes, and stains from glasses left on it without a coaster, thanks to our children. There are also no shortage of spilled juice, spaghetti sauce, etc. on the sofas. Actually, we have had it reupholstered 2 times already. Nevertheless, they always find a way to keep getting damaged now that we have 2 grandchildren. Mostly, I want to replace it as a way to celebrate how hard my husband and I have worked throughout our lives. Moreover, I would feel prouder to host events at my house if the furniture were better. Actually, I feel embarrassed to have any outsiders in my home now. I think it would create a fresher, newer feeling in our home and lead us to a smooth transition into our retirement. We deserve to sit on a comfy, fresh sofa and read our books and have our morning coffee together.
For more interesting IELTS videos, subscribe and follow our channel, and you guys can join our special elementary coaching to learn every nook and corner of IELTS.